Action.
Okay, I'm going to be making some sweet pickles from this recipe. And so it calls for 2 pounds of cucumbers. And we picked 2 pounds of cucumbers out of our garden. And it calls for them to be thinly sliced. So I've already sliced most of them up, and I'm just going to finish up slicing the cucumbers on the mandolin.
You can see yourself right here.
Alright, so that's that.
Still got all your fingers?
Absolutely. Okay, so I'm just going to follow the recipe on the back of this packet. It says combine the mix with 1.5 cups of, okay, so combine sweet mix, vinegar, water, and sugar into a large non-reactive pot. Do not use aluminum. Bring mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly until mixture dissolves. Alright, so I gotta get myself a pan. Okay. Alright. So what are we going to put in our pan? We're going to put in 1.5 cups of vinegar. And this mix. A 1/2 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar. And so then I'm going to bring it to a boil over medium heat, and meet you back here when that's done.
Yep.
Okay, so the directions said to bring it just to a boil, and I did, and that's what it looks like with all the spices in it, and it smells really nice. And then I packed my canning jars with the cucumber slices. I'm just going to finish that off. Okay, so those 2 pounds just about filled 2 canning jars. And now I'm going to ladle the pickling mixture into the jars.
These are refrigerator pickles, correct?
Yes, these are refrigerator pickles. There's also directions for putting them in a warm bath canner to make them shelf stable for an additional year. But we're just going to do refrigerator pickles, and because we plan to eat these up within 6 months.
About 6 weeks. Is it 6 months? Is that what it says?
Let's see. Unopened refrigerator product can be stored up to 6 months, and the shelf-stable product up to 18 months.
Wow, okay. Yeah, we'll definitely have those things done.
Okay, and then you got to leave about a 1/2 inch space on the top. Let me just top this off a little bit. Alright, that looks good. Put the lid on, screw the band on. Gonna let that cool, and then put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and then they'll be ready to eat.
Sweet.